Hello, I'm Carolina Oneto, a Chilean quilter living in Brazil, Sao Paulo. And today I'm really happy to show you a piecing technique that I love to do and to show in my quilts. So I'm going to show you how to cut and sew soft curves with your fabrics. So for that, 2 pieces of fabrics, you need to put them right side up both and overlap them like 2 or 3 inches, because here where the fabrics overlap is the space where we can cut, all right? So with your rotary cutter, it's important to have a new blade on it. It's going to be very easy. We are going to cut a soft curve there, all right? And now we are going to remove this piece of fabric and this other piece of fabric, and we are going to sew together these two, right? So right side together, and then we go to the sewing machine. So with your 2 fabrics, right side together, we are going to start sewing. This is a soft curve, so you don't need to use pins. You just need to start with both fabrics aligned at the beginning. The edges are aligned, okay? So we are going to start sewing, and I recommend that you handle your fabric on top with your left hand and the fabric on bottom with your right hand. And you are going to, while you are sewing, try to go slow. You are going to start always aligning the edge of your fabrics. So you are sewing these soft curves and aligning the edge of the fabrics, okay? Go slow, align them, put them together while you are sewing, all right? You can stop and then align again, okay? So you can see, as this is a soft curve, you don't need to use pins, you just need your hands to maintain the edge aligned. And then you can open and you will see there. You can press open or you can press toward one side. I'm going to press and show you the result, all right? So there you have a soft curve, cutting that freehand and sewing that without any pins. Thank you for watching this. I hope you use this technique and enjoy it in your quilts, and see you in the next AQS Quilt Week.